Hey everyone, Jeff from Auction Reviews with Jeff. I have a Meet One Breeze Trike, and we're gonna see how it does. See if it passes the Jeff test. It's got 3 wheels. Let's go check it out. Let's review this thing. Let's see what it can do. There is the box in my messy garage. It's these 2 boxes right here. Let's get it open and see what we have inside. So I've got the box open. I've got the wheels out. Oh, one more thing, a couple of nuts were in the bottom of the box. I'm not sure if they're extra or if I'm going to need them, but I'm going to hang on to them till I find out.
I needed them.
All right, I have it inside, and these are all the parts. And this is the Trike. My cat's helping me, Squid. Hey, Squid.
Let's put it together.
The Meet One Breeze Trike is put together. So I'm about to take it outside. Take it outside for a spin. All right, we're gonna ride down to the park. I'm gonna use my little basket here to put my camera in. All right, let's go. Here we go to the park. All right, here we go down the sidewalk. Okay, so I'm pedaling. I feel the assist pick up. Okay, let's stop. Go to speed 1, the first level. Okay, I'm pedaling. Yeah, it's a very light pickup. Very calm. I like that. Lost some brake. All right, let's get a little looking at me action. So I started off pedaling, and now the assist has picked up, making the pedaling very easy. Still not touching the throttle. Let's go to speed 2. It does pick up quite a bit. First off, I like the brakes. They latch, and this seat is very comfortable, and it's fully adjustable. And I like how big that is. It's very comfortable bike to ride. So I'm going to start off in speed 1. Here we go. And it also has 7 speeds for the actual sprocket for the regular bicycle. So here is speed, highest level. This is a pretty steep hill, and it's handling it pretty well. But like I mentioned before, the seat is very adjustable, so you can get just like you want as far as leaning back, and you can bring the handlebars further down if you want. But another really neat thing is, watch this. Say I need to back up, this has reverse. Now it won't let you go very fast in reverse, which is a safety feature, but watch this again. The brakes are excellent too. Okay, let's go in reverse. You ever seen a bike with reverse? Okay, I'm going to go back into speed 3. That's starting off on an incline. It goes pretty fast. And like I said, the brakes work really good. What'd you get up to?
Okay, I got it up to 21.
Leaning back.
Yeah, I'm in 2 now. Okay, after riding it and playing around on it a little bit, it is a very fun little bike, Trike. It feels very sound, like it's made well. It doesn't feel squishy and like you're gonna break everything when you squeeze on it.
How'd the seat feel?
The seat is great, actually. Being able to lean back on it and cruise, it feels like, yeah, the only thing I'm missing is a beach to ride around for a few hours.
Okay, and what top speed did you hit?
I hit 21 on it.
21, okay.
And thank goodness it's got these front and back brakes. They call him the Flash.
Now look at that. It even has a brake light when the brakes are set. I've got the brakes set right now. Little wheelie bars so you don't tip over. Metal fenders. Pretty solid construction. It does fold right here to make it a little bit more easier to transport. Big fat tires. Basket in the front. Light, also headlight. Seven gears, 3 speeds, rearview mirrors, and this is the main feature. Super comfortable seat, fully adjustable, recumbent seating. Very comfortable, just lean back and just ride away. It also has a very loud horn. I like that shock in the front. It really makes it a easy ride. the Meet One Breeze Trike. This is only my second review of any products. I only started this channel last August, I think. Do I give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? I give it a thumbs up. Yes, it passed the Jeff test. This is a well-built machine. You can see throughout the video what I did with it. Very comfortable recumbent seating. Big seat here, very comfortable, which adjusts up and down. This is what's nice here. Let me sit on it for you. Yep, can't get much more comfortable than that. I don't know if you can see my head. Maybe I need to come down. So, yeah, I'd recommend it. And like I mentioned before, if you are interested, check it out. Check out their website. Below the video in the description, the video details. So, check it out if you're interested. Yeah, I really couldn't find too much wrong with this. It's well built. So I appreciate you watching. This is Jeff. The video is over.